This is Xinbei from ASUSTER. This is my Lackester 2 NAS. I would like to share with you my ASUSTER NAS diary. I like taking photos and videos with my iPhone, but I'm a bit lazy managing and backing up those photo and video files. So the result is there is always not enough space for storage. If you have the same problem like me, I would like to share with you how I use my ASUSTER NAS to solve this long-time problem with only 3 simple steps. First, download the Photo Gallery app to the NAS. Second, download the AI Photo app to my iPhone. Third, select my iPhone photos and videos and upload them to my ASUSTER NAS. Voila! It's just so fast and simple. I like to save all my iPhone photos and videos to my ASUSTER NAS because it provides 5 benefits. First, I don't need to pay every month for extra storage, and I get to keep these files forever. Second, I can save these files to my personal cloud and to a hard disk at the same time. Third, as I sometimes take photos of my family and children, I consider these files more personal, and I would like to keep them in my private cloud instead of relying on other cloud service providers. Fourth, as I now save all my files to my ASUSTER NAS, I can have more storage space in my iPhone. Last but not least, I can provide a link of my personal cloud and share the whole album with my family, so they can see all my silly photos online and download the ones they like to laugh at forever. I hope you find this video useful. For the step-by-step tutorials, please check the links in the video description. I will keep sharing my ASUSTER NAS diary. If there are other features you would like to learn more about, please leave comments below. I will work on sharing those features in my next videos. See you soon!